How to solve Netflix payment problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can solve Netflix payment problem. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, if you're having the payment problem or your account is on hold because your payment is not getting updated on Netflix, then here's what you can do. First things first, what you'll have to understand is it happens because Netflix was unable to receive a payment for one of the two reasons, that is the payment method that you added on file is no longer valid or it has expired. So what you'll have to do is you will have to either change it or you'll have to update it. How you can update it? You can simply head over to your browser on your device, and there you want to head into netflix.com/payment. So I'll just type in right here netflix.com/payment, as you can see there, and you'll be headed to this page if you are already logged into your account on the browser, that is. And then here you can see your account is on hold showing up for my account. You'll see two different options, that is change payment method and you can see update. You can tap on update and you can go ahead and update your payment information again, or you can tap on change payment method and you can change your payment method. So this way you can fix Netflix payment problem. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.